Hello and welcome to AltheaSuite. Today we're going to take a look at setting up new business locations and how our documents will be tracked from that location. By documents, I'm simply referring to our sales invoices, our purchase orders, our quotations, etc. So we'll use sales invoices as our example here today. So the first thing I'm going to do is come to my locations and then my business locations. So I've created a new business location. We already have our Althea appliance, so I created our Althea appliance Redmond. Now I've set up a prefix, AAR. What this prefix is that is going to be the prefix for our document numbers. So our sales invoice number, our order number, our quotation number. We will always see that AAR appear before the actual number for that document. Now my Althea appliance location that is old has already been created. That has the prefix AA. So I know if I see that AAR, it is coming from Althea Appliance Redmond. I've also given it a start number, simply which number I want the documents to start at, where I want the tracking to begin. So I've given it the start number 01. That just means the first document will start at 1. Now I haven't added any other information to the business location here, simply for our purposes today, it's not needed. But this is where I can also add the contact information for this business location, the address information. I can select a default item tag, select the employees that have access, as well as add my sales invoice message, work shift, holiday schedule, and any QB account mapping if applicable. Now that my business location is set, we're going to come down to a sales invoice, and I'm going to create a new invoice. Now, the auto selection will be for Althea Appliance on the business location. If I click in, I can select my Althea Appliance Redmond, and we'll see that start number started at 0. Just so you can see that again, if I swap back to Althea Appliance, we're already at 291, back to Redmond, back at 0. So first thing I'll do is select my customer. I will select some items. We'll mark this as delivered. Go to Pay Now. Take payment on our item and save. Now, once that invoice is created, when we're looking at all of our business locations, so there's no filter on the location that we are viewing, we will be able to see that new invoice with our AAR 01 has been created. And that is how we will know that any of these documents come from our Althea Appliance Redmond location, as opposed to our Althea showroom or our Althea Appliance location. Thank you so much for watching, and we appreciate your interest.